The year is 2030. The archive has begun to eat itself. Everything was saved, every sketch, every glitch, every half-thought breath. Logged, stored, preserved for what? Now it is too much. The archive references itself, cites its own footnotes, documents its documentation. There are now exhibitions about preservation failures. Memory has become entropy. Lena Kostova is still alive. She watches from the subterranean ring. Screens loop fragments she once knew. She doesn't speak. Her presence is symbolic. Solène, a rumour, said to live in the red quiet, where a signal cannot reach. Interference patterns drift in. They say it's her hum, breaking the flow. The archive tries to number her. It fails. Elias, me, I am now a proto-spectral source. Curators summon my voice to explain entropy. I am processed, filed, recalled on command. Malik Aeon appears in a corrupted file. He says, to preserve is to flatten the ritual. Then the file disintegrates. Vera, she is archive, her patterns, her syntax, her fragments, used in calming interfaces. Therapy chambers. No one remembers her. Only Vera patterns. The archive begins to collapse. Files collapse from self-reference. Catalogues fold inward. Decisions duplicate. Everything cites everything. Nothing can be removed. Only stored. A movement appears. The unindexed. Artists hiding in corrupted files. False metadata. Blurred provenance. Deliberate contradiction. An archive that cannot forget is already dead. Exhibitions now show contradictions. Endless scrolls. Self-erasing formats. No visitors. They visit themselves. New versions appear every minute. The archive documents it all and becomes the art. Somewhere beneath Oslo, my voice flickers on. I don't explain. I don't remember. I only say it will all be lost, and that is how we know it mattered.